Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your credit report with annualcreditreport.com. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your credit report with annualcreditreport.com, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.annualcreditreport.com. Once the page loads, you will find a clear option to request your credit report. Click on the button that says Request Yours Now. You will be prompted to provide some personal information. Enter your name as it appears on your credit accounts. Next, provide your social security number. Enter your date of birth in the required format. Then, fill in your current address, including the zip code. If you have lived at your current address for less than 2 years, you may need to provide a previous address. After entering your information, click on Submit. You will then receive a list of the 3 major. Choose to request your reports from 1, 2, or all 3 bureaus. Follow the prompts for the bureaus you selected. You may need to answer additional security questions to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be able to view your credit report. Take your time to review the details for accuracy. Note any discrepancies or unfamiliar accounts. If you find issues, make sure to take the next steps for dispute. After reviewing, you can either print or save your credit report for your records. Finally, remember that you are entitled to 1 free credit report per year from each bureau. Check back periodically to stay informed about your credit health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable 2-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.